1. A great tip to reduce excess paint and clean your paintbrush. 2. A great tip to easily insert the connector into the electrical cable. 3. Inserting connectors into multi-core wires is difficult. Here's a simpler way to do it with single-core cables. 4. A drill hack to blast away stains. 5. Here's how to remove excess paint from a paint roller. 6. A great tip to save lubricant when drilling into metal. 7. How to avoid wasting lubricant using just a toothpick. 8. A simple and precise way to make a rubber gasket. 9. A heat shrink technique for better electrical safety. 10. A plier trick to avoid scratching shiny surfaces. 11. A wall anchor tip for lightweight decorations using just a bolt. 12. How to secure a screw without a plastic anchor. 13. A simple trick for using hot glue. 14. A tip to keep your paint tray clean. 15. How to turn a broom into a pipe cleaning tool. 16. Use bolts and nuts to evenly spread wood glue. 17. How to drill walls without getting dust on the floor. 18. Reuse plastic bottles to make cleaning tools. 19. A fast and neat way to tie wires. 20. How to protect plastic bottle caps from getting lost. 21. A technique to keep your paint can rim clean. 22. A professional nail locking technique. 23. A great tip to remove nails from wood using only a hammer. 24. An easy way to attach a spring to a bicycle kickstand. 25. How to install a spring using only half your strength. (26) How to prevent wood from cracking when using screws. (27) A tip to hammer nails without damaging the wood surface. (28) How to avoid injury from plastic cable ties. (29) A tidy way to secure cables using zip ties. (30) This is the correct way to use zip ties. (31) A trick to connect an internet plug without tools, just scissors and pliers. (32) How to clean a brand new paint roller. (33) Turn a toothbrush into an awesome tool. Hope you found some useful information. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye, and see you next time.